So today we're going to go over the Galaxy Active Pro4. It's got the pen for touching the screen when you need to get more precise, or you can just use your finger. It's got a built-in case, so the whole case on this came with a screen protector and everything. That's how we received it. We got it for our technicians and service writers, so we have the ability to do everything digitally, do digital pictures for the vehicles, videos, when the cars come in, so we can check them in and see, any damage, and we have it recorded on welcome inspections. One of the things that we really like is the welcome inspection that we created. Just go to inspection here, and then you can go in and take pictures. So we got dash cluster, front of vehicle, left side, right side, and rear, and then any damage points on the car. And you just go click the camera icon, and you can go through and take your different pictures, and then say, pass, fail, or if it's really bad. And you can see here the picture comes up and you got the rear of the vehicle. And then if you want to mark up any spots on it, you can. If there's multiple images, you do have to keep going back and forth. You can't just swipe across to the next one. So it is limited somewhat on that. And then you can also, if you go into the picture, pushing this little button right here on the message, and you can text the picture to yourself or to your customer, which is pretty fast, quick, and easy. The tablet replaces all these tens and tens of clipboards that we had all our work orders on.